extraterrestrial planet orbiting Proxima Centauri. It's the nearest exoplanet we will ever find because it's the nearest star to the Sun.
We physicists say, follow the data. This is the first time we've had an Earth-like planet in the habitable zone of a Sun-like star. NASA has discovered a super-Earth that could have conditions to sustain life. The new exoplanet is 137 light-years away, or roughly 800 trillion miles. Astronomers say the planet is about 1.2 times the size of Earth and orbits a small reddish star that is cooler than our Sun. Quite exciting. While we haven't found an exact twin for Earth, this planet isn't an exact replica, but out of the latest haul of 500 new possible planets, it stands out. It's about 50% bigger than Earth. NASA's James Webb Space Telescope has hardly opened its eyes, and the universe is already revealing itself to be more mysterious and beautiful than humanity's dreams. This is a huge discovery, and it's the most exciting aspect of this remarkable instrument we've put into space, finding things we didn't expect and can't explain, which means revising our understanding of the universe. The James Webb Telescope is so phenomenal that, with enough time, it could probably find any galaxy that ever formed in the universe. It's really that powerful. Headlines are currently circulating on the internet that make us sit up and take notice. The James Webb Telescope is said to have identified a bright carpet of artificially generated city lights on Proxima B, potentially answering one of humankind's oldest questions. Are we alone in the universe? But what is the true background of this groundbreaking claim? Can we prepare ourselves to make contact with extraterrestrial neighbors, or should we treat these sensational reports with skepticism? When we hear the buzzword extraterrestrials, we often think of highly intelligent creatures with futuristic technologies beyond our imagination. However, experts take a broader approach in the search for extraterrestrial life, looking for bacteria, microorganisms, algae, and plants just as much as fully developed civilizations. Earth remains the only known celestial body in the universe that has produced both simple and complex life forms. Yet we still face a profound mystery. We have no idea why and how life unfolded on Earth, and how it ultimately managed to overcome the hurdle of intelligence. For billions of years, Earth was home only to microorganisms, plants, and animals. It is only in the blink of an eye, in the context of Earth's history, that one branch of life evolved into a species capable of creating technological wonders like the James Webb Telescope. Despite having the most powerful space telescopes, we cannot even define what intelligent life fundamentally is, let alone speculate on whether intelligent life, beyond Earth, would remotely resemble us. In the absence of comparable discoveries, we ourselves remain the only clue available in the search for unknown neighbors. Accordingly, the search for extraterrestrial life always circles around the question of what factors are necessary to pave the way for Earth-like life. Humanity, for example, is not a friend of the dark. We have always fought the darkness of night, first with fire and later with electric light. Nowadays, our radiant traces are so pronounced they can be seen from space. While the starry night sky once unleashed an overwhelming spectacle of light for our ancestors, today it is barely glimpsed in most cities due to light pollution. With this in mind, assuming that other civilizations in the cosmos have followed a similar path, the question arises, could there be planets that shine just as artificially, and would we even be able to recognize them? Fortunately, we are not the only ones dealing with this topic. The question of alien techno-signatures is anything but new in professional circles. A few years ago, Eliza Tabor of Stanford University and Harvard professor Avi Loeb wondered how realistic it would be to detect the telltale light trails of a nearby exoplanet. Their work focused on Proxima B, a planet only 4.2 light-years away, practically on our cosmic doorstep. However, 4.2 light-years is still a considerable distance, about 37.8 trillion kilometers. With current technology, it would take millennia to reach Proxima B. Fortunately, their theoretical considerations did not require venturing into space. Assuming this exoplanet hosts a highly developed alien civilization with brightly lit cities, could we detect them? The answer is no, not directly. Even the most powerful telescopes cannot capture a hypothetical sea of lights on film. However, it is possible to approach this question indirectly by measuring how much light the planet reflects from its host star, Proxima Centauri. If actual measurements exceed theoretical predictions, this could be due to artificial lighting. What better instrument to detect this than the James Webb Telescope? Webb is up to 100 times more sensitive to electromagnetic waves than Hubble. In theory, it could detect the heat of a bumblebee on the moon's surface from Earth. In practice, Webb has been providing spectacular images for over 2 years, continually reminding us how much there is still to learn about the cosmos. For instance, Webb has detected impossible galaxies that appear too large and massive to have formed so soon after the Big Bang, earning the nickname universe crushers. Elsewhere, Webb's measurements have confirmed the so-called Hubble tension, showing the universe is expanding faster than current theories allow. It's clear this $10 billion instrument challenges our established assumptions. But what has Webb discovered regarding artificial city lights on Proxima B? Well, nothing yet. Proxima B is listed as a potentially habitable world. It orbits in the habitable zone, where liquid water could exist. Yet, the presence of water is not enough. Other factors, such as atmospheric conditions and radiation from Proxima Centauri, could still thwart life. Proxima B orbits its star at just 7 million kilometers, completing an orbit in about 11 days. Its surface is divided between a hot, sunlit side and a cold, perpetually dark side, as its rotation is tidally locked. However, a narrow twilight zone between these extremes might offer conditions conducive to life. If Proxima B indeed harbors life, and even a highly technical alien civilization, the James Webb Telescope might still struggle to detect artificial lights. For instance, if Proxima B's inhabitants use LED lighting similar to ours, the lighting would need to be 500 times more intense than Earth's nighttime lighting for Webb to detect it. These are significant ifs. As experts point out, our search for life may be better served by thinking outside the box. Life on Proxima B may not resemble life on Earth. Perhaps it doesn't need artificial lights at all. Interestingly, Proxima B might not be fully tidally locked. A slightly eccentric orbit could create conditions akin to Mercury's, with more varied rotations and climates. New climate models for rocky exoplanets around red dwarfs suggest Proxima B could be habitable. Using supercomputers, scientists simulated Proxima B's potential conditions, revealing that despite heavy radiation and tidal locking, life could still thrive. If Proxima B has an Earth-like atmosphere and a strong magnetic field, it might protect itself from radiation. It could even be covered in an ocean stretching into its night side, resembling a giant eyeball planet. While this may sound strange, it excites scientists searching for signs of extraterrestrial life. The James Webb Space Telescope continues to explore the cosmos with unparalleled clarity. Equipped with advanced infrared instruments, it opens new frontiers for discovery. When pointed at Proxima B, Webb detected unexpected phenomena, a faint, steady glow from the planet's night side. While this was not volcanic activity or auroras, it suggested artificial lighting. Could this be evidence of an advanced civilization? While it's too early to conclude, artificial lights are a hallmark of developed civilizations, and this faint glow might represent our first real clue that we are not alone. The implications of such a discovery are profound, challenging us to rethink our place in the universe. If these lights really are a product of some advanced technology, it could mean that a highly developed civilization either exists or once existed on this nearby exoplanet. If that's true, this would be the first time we have found direct evidence of extraterrestrial technology. It is not a small discovery. It is not like we have found some bacteria or basic life forms. This could be intelligent beings capable of shaping their environment, maybe even creating city-like structures. This is the kind of stuff that makes you sit up and realize just how big the universe really is. But as exciting as this all sounds, it leaves us with so many questions. If these lights are from a civilization, just how advanced are they? Are we talking about a society like ours, one that is experiencing its own technological developments and struggles, or is this something much more evolved? These lights cover a significant portion of the planet, according to the data from the James Webb Telescope. That could mean either one massive city or a bunch of smaller settlements scattered across the planet. Either way, we are talking about an organized society, not just random lights here and there. And then, of course, there is another question. How are these lights powered? Are they using something like electricity as we do, generated from natural resources like coal, solar, or wind? Or, and here is where it gets really interesting, have they developed some advanced form of energy that we cannot even imagine yet? Proxima B orbits a red dwarf star, which is much cooler and dimmer than our sun. This could mean the inhabitants had to get creative with their energy production, maybe harnessing energy in ways that could give us clues about solving our own energy problems here on Earth. But what if these lights are just the remains of a civilization? Think about it. What if this is a society that once thrived but is now in decline? What could have caused it? The discovery of potential city lights on Proxima could be a game changer for space exploration. At just 4.24 light-years away, Proxima is relatively close to Earth in astronomical terms, making it a prime target for future missions. While that distance is still mind-boggling by our human standards, in the grand scheme of the universe, it's practically in our backyard. Over the years, there's been growing speculation about sending probes or even crewed missions to nearby star systems. Now, with the possibility of artificial lights on Proxima B, things could accelerate significantly. Scientists might develop advanced propulsion technologies to study the planet and its possible inhabitants up close. This is no longer just a distant dream. The discovery of these lights makes Proxima B an exciting candidate for future exploration, the goal being to gather more data, get up close and personal with the planet, and perhaps discover if we are indeed dealing with an intelligent civilization out there. This isn't the first time we've sought extraterrestrial life. We have the Search for Extraterrestrial Intelligence, SETI, which traditionally focused on detecting radio signals or other forms of communication from distant civilizations. However, this new discovery suggests a need to shift our focus. Rather than just listening for signals, we should also look for signs of advanced technology like artificial lighting. Imagine the possibilities. What if there are more planets like Proxima B, where city lights or massive structures indicate intelligent life? This could mark the beginning of a new era in the search for extraterrestrial intelligence. Public interest is already soaring. People are captivated by the idea that an alien civilization might be close enough for us to see the lights of its cities. Beyond the excitement lies a profound challenge. The potential discovery of an intelligent civilization forces us to reconsider our place in the universe. Historically, we've seen ourselves as the pinnacle of evolution. But if Proxima B does harbor intelligent life, we would no longer be alone. This realization could reshape how we view our responsibilities toward our planet and the technology we create. However, with the thrill comes the concern of potential threats. If an advanced civilization exists on Proxima B, would they see us as a threat? Just as we might approach them with caution, they could equally be wary of Earth. Contacting an alien civilization raises difficult questions about our future, our role in the universe, and how we manage technological advancement. One thing is certain. If these lights are real, they could catalyze international cooperation in space exploration. Studying a planet light-years away will require teamwork on an unprecedented scale, much like the collaboration seen with the International Space Station. Countries would need to come together, pooling resources and knowledge for the common goal of exploring Proxima B and potentially making contact. We must also consider how a civilization might survive in such a hostile environment. Proxima B orbits a red dwarf star, Proxima Centauri, known for its intense stellar flares. These flares bombard the planet with harmful radiation, making it hard to envision life surviving there. But if those lights indicate inhabitants, it suggests advanced technology that protects them. They might have developed ways to shield their cities or adapted biologically to thrive under extreme conditions. And let's not forget the lights themselves. What if the technology powering them is beyond our current understanding? Imagine energy sources we can't yet conceive. Antimatter reactors, zero-point energy, or harnessing stellar energy in ways we've only dreamed of. The intensity and spread of these lights could provide clues about the civilization's technological achievements, potentially redefining our understanding of what's possible for our future. The distribution of these lights could also offer insights into the societal structure of Proxima. Are the lights spread evenly, indicating a connected global society, or are they clustered, hinting at city-states or factions? Understanding how this alien civilization operates will be crucial if we ever make contact. Are they peaceful explorers eager to share knowledge, or isolationists choosing to remain hidden? The timing of this discovery is significant too. The light we see now left Proxima B just over 4 years ago. This means any civilization there could be at a similar technological stage as us today, facing the same societal challenges or working on similar advancements in their unique context. Communication, while still challenging, would not take as long as we might expect. A signal could yield a response in just 9 years. While Proxima B is a promising candidate for extraterrestrial life, it's far from the only location in our galaxy or even in our solar system where signs of life might be found. NASA's exoplanet program is actively searching for unmistakable signs of life on other worlds using advanced telescopes like the James Webb and the upcoming Nancy Grace Roman Space Telescope. These instruments analyze planets for signs like oxygen and water vapor, indicators that could suggest life. Closer to home, our solar system holds intriguing candidates for life as well. Mars, once home to lakes and rivers, shows evidence of liquid water beneath its surface. NASA's Perseverance rover is on a mission to find signs of ancient microbial life there. Venus, long deemed inhospitable, has re-emerged as a potential candidate after the detection of phosphine gas in its atmosphere, hinting at possible microbial life. Jupiter's and Saturn's moons, particularly Europa and Enceladus, are also high on the list for future missions. These moons possess subsurface oceans and geysers, suggesting environments rich in the elements necessary for life. Even Neptune's moon Triton and the dwarf planet Ceres exhibit potential signs of habitability. In addition to these local explorations, researchers have discovered what they're calling the perfect solar system, located 100 light-years away. The HD 110067 system features 6 nearly identical planets that have remained stable for up to 12 billion years, offering a unique opportunity to study planetary formation and evolution. If we can confirm that sub-Neptunes like those in the HD 110067 system can support life, it would vastly increase the number of planets where we could potentially find extraterrestrial life. The advances in telescope technology give astronomers hope that they may soon find biosignatures, chemical indicators of life, in this ideal system. Looking to the future, humanity stands on the brink of engaging in a real-time conversation with another intelligent species. The prospect is thrilling, but it also presents significant logistical challenges. What language will we use? How would we ensure accurate communication? The short communication delay with Proxima B makes these discussions more feasible than ever. The technology we have already detected could just be the beginning. What other signals or technologies might be hiding there, waiting to be discovered? Each new finding could unlock deeper insights into their capabilities, possibly serving as a roadmap for our own advancements. Finally, if we do encounter an intelligent civilization on Proxima B, we must consider their biology. Life forms there could have evolved unique features to survive their volatile environment, or they might have merged with technology, creating a post-biological society. This challenges our understanding of intelligence itself. If the beings on Proxima B have developed intelligence in ways we can't even comprehend, it could reshape our perspectives on AI and machine learning. Moreover, the potential for cultural exchange is mind-boggling. Imagine the knowledge, ideas, and innovations we could share with an entirely different species. New forms of governance, philosophy, art, and science that have evolved under different circumstances. This collaboration could ignite a creative renaissance for both our species. The opportunities ahead underscore the unprecedented possibilities that lie in forging connections with Proxima B. By engaging with potential life forms there, we could enter a new era of interstellar cooperation and shared wisdom, enriching our understanding of the universe. All right, that wraps up this discussion. If you want to explore more amazing content like this, Check out some of our other videos.